It's your body of work. You see your work come to fruition when you treat those bulbs with a bit of generosity and a bit of respect.
Wake up, get organized. Enough, it's going down. Make up, the break up, come we decide. No. World shut down, lost and found. World shut down, yeah, but never gonna give up. I tried to make hip hop a commodity, but we all know it rose from poverty. Watch me rise, now ain't no stopping it. It's my time, let me do things properly. Where the hell is this equal of opportunity? Still riding, I do this for my community. Come together, we rise and we call it unity. Forget the lies that you're selling when all the love is free. Never gon' give up, never gon' give up, never gon'. I'm never gon' give up, never gon' give up, never gon' give up, never gon'. Nah, I'm never gon' give up. Nothing is stopping me, play the game like Monopoly. Calling me the anomaly, people that try to copy me. Look at my night and then they will keep on robbing me. I'm working all through the night to try to find some peace. Doing it properly, no one will ever stopping me. Move to the beat, it's rocking me. Come on and you can copy me. I'm doing it properly, no one will ever stopping me. I'm doing it properly, I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. Nah, I'm never gonna give up. I think about my grandma, she been very proud of me. I would keep on working hard to feed the family, yeah. I'm blind, but now I see. I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. Nah, I'm never gonna give up. I pray to the Lord and every night that I go to sleep. I wake in the morning and the sun shines over me. I look at the people, I know one day there'll be peace. Just let me do my thing. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. Nah, I'm never gonna give up. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. Never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna give up, never gonna. Never gonna give up.
Check, turn the lights on. Yeah. Wake up, get money, yo, it sounds so funny, but your hoe still fuck me, yeah, I think the bitch love me. Isn't it lovely, outside it's sunny, and I ain't been to bed, and my nose still runny. Wake up, get money, yo, it sounds so funny, but your hoe still fuck me, yeah, I think the bitch love me. Isn't it lovely, outside it's sunny, and I ain't been to bed, and my nose still runny. Cocaine, propane, bitch, I want the whole thing. 2 gold teeth, tattoos, and a nose ring. All my boys brought liquor, so what the fuck did these hoes bring? Acting like she got it, smoking on hypnotic. She ain't shit to a stallion, no, just another thotty. Trying to get a lash, put my hands on her body. I made one for the door, a little blunt in the lobby.
Good morning. Good morning. It's a Monday morning. The markets are gonna open soon. I was gonna play the last of that song. I just saw the name of it. It's on my Discover Weekly, and it's called Nose Runny. And I felt like I could relate to it, but then the lyrics started playing, and it's just not my type of song. So here we are. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Let me put on some carbon bass, turn on the camera. My left eyeball has been crying all morning, just because like I've been sneezing so much. Like my face has been stuck in a permanent sneeze face, and it's causing me to like cry a little bit. So if you see me crying on stream, I'm not crying because I'm sad. I'm not crying. All right, you're crying. I'm fine. You're fine. We're all fine. All right. I'm just a little bit sick. I'm still sick. Carbon based. Yeah. Yeah. Like I said, I played it because it said nose runny. And I was like, oh, my nose is runny. Yeah. Not my type of song. Yep. I like rap. I like a lot of rap. I just don't like the, you know, like the F hoes getting money. I feel like there's a time and a place if it's done appropriately, you know. But yeah. Okay. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Louis, yo, what's going on? Sky Knight, what's up, man? Balaz. I'm gonna call you Nagy. Hi. Good morning. Druther, what's going on? Good morning, man. Slothbag, hello, youngin. Hello, good morning. Yo, kid, I hope you're feeling better. Now, I don't know if I'm feeling like, I don't know if I'm feeling better or if I'm getting worse. I mean, it's no worse than it was yesterday. Yesterday I had a runny nose and my nose was stuffed. Yeah, I don't know. By the way, I see you in the chat, Johnny. Just know that when I was cleaning your room, I had a mask on, okay? And I did use sanitation on my hands. All right, because I don't want to ruin the trip. I don't want you to come back with a souvenir gift when that souvenir gift is sick. And not sick AF. Glad you're still alive. Yeah, we're still rocking and rolling. Trying our best out here. I was watching YouTube notifications like a hawk. Good morning, Kite. Good morning, Harvey. Good morning, buddy. Drew, good morning to you. Joe, what's going on? Solana goes to $1,000. Solana going to $1,000. It's only $13.92. That'd be quite amazing if it went to $1,000, wouldn't it? That'd be pretty crazy, right? Like I said, I haven't done like complete research, but if the only reason why I dumped is because it was FTX's collateral, I don't think they're at fault for what happened. Obviously, like, it sucks. People got wrapped up in that, as always, but hey, we'll see what happens in the future. How's the air AIDS treating you today? Oh my goodness. That's a description. What's up, Austin? How you doing? I'm doing good. Trying my best. Let me take my vitamins for the day. Try to get my it's electrolytes. It's what the plants crave. Men's vitamins. It's what the men crave. Rich man, let's freaking go! Good morning. Is this LTC short ABC that we just put in legitimate? Did it put in that higher high? Oh, it did. Ah, shoot. I know. I was hoping that it wouldn't, to be honest with you, because that's it. Like, it's tricky for me, man. I don't know if I want to take that. Like I said, I do think the market is somewhat bearish. Obviously, with the pumps last night, who knows? I'm gonna sneeze again. I'm gonna sneeze. Is it gonna happen? Am I gonna sneeze? Hello? God dang it. Okay. I don't like, it's such a hard question for me because I like the larger setup. Like, when I have a large setup and a small setup that close, and I mean, I wouldn't call that like a terribly small setup. It's got a decent cut to it. It's definitely an ABC in my opinion. The only issue is like, I feel like if I'm just patient and wait for this setup here, I feel like it's gonna do just as good as of a job. I know we've finally put in the higher high on BTC over here. Like I said, I don't think I'm gonna be taking that setup either. I'm going to be waiting for it to come back down here if it is going to do that. Ethereum did not put in its higher high. So as of right now, it's looking more like a possible B wave. And then that would be our A to B to C situation. They're gonna pamp the market before capital gains taxes from traders. We'll see. I don't know if they... I don't want to get into like manipulation theory or anything like that, but I guess. But let's go ahead and do like a short recap here of everything that's happened. So we saw you guys yesterday, and at that moment in time, we had not put in this higher high on BTC. And as of that moment, we had this as the possible ABC setup. Obviously now, going into this is turned into more of a ABC top right here. I want to blame you if you did enter that. Just, I don't know, it's kind of hard for me to do so at the moment. Whoa, buddy, what are you doing? He's messing around in the blankets. I don't know, he's restless. So at the moment, I'm still kind of sticking with these entries right here off of BTC and Ethereum. I just don't want to get ahead of myself and start taking too many entries here. So I'm trying to limit myself. Because, I mean, if we do dump, in my opinion, this would be the dump. That would start, you know, really trending downwards towards 10K. So if it's not the dump, there's really no reason for me to enter these smaller time frame ABCs and then just stick with my longs. Because I'm just trying to be wary of entering too many times here. So same thing with LTC. Yes, this is a pretty valid ABC setup, but we have a larger time frame one right here, and it's not too far away. I know you might want to capitalize on that 10% or so. That's definitely a lot of percentage to take advantage of. But if this thing's gonna dump, I mean, down to like this local low here, that's 45%. So I don't feel like it's missing out on too much, in my opinion. KDA. KDA still kind of sitting around that entry point for a short. We talked about this yesterday. We did put in the ABC formation here. And as long as we hold below this level, I probably would be looking for more downside. Now, my hope is that we go down and test 70 cents. All right, and form a larger ABC setup like this. And I'll probably be taking a long entry off of 78.94. If we get below it and come back above it, that is. But if we look at the larger time frame here, once again, the reason for that is if we look at the uptrend during the bull market, this little pocket region here between 70 cents and 90 cents is pretty much like our last support before we get down to like 31 cents. So with kind of an A to a B formation sitting right there, I would really like to see a bullish setup form in the support region and then hopefully get a nice retest to the upside. I'm so sorry, guys. I'm so sick. It sucks. It sucks so bad. You know, when you're a kid and you get sick, it means like you get to take a day off of school. And yeah, you're sick, but you're still a kid, so like you bounce back pretty easily. As an adult, there's no upsides to being sick. Absolutely none. Man, I swear, like my nose wasn't running that bad until I started talking. But we talked about this yesterday, and this is still of a very peculiar interest to me. We were just talking about Matic on the daily time frame, and Matic looks quite different than most other coins. I mean, we look at BTC on the macro time frame. Yes, it has its sideways price action. Yes, it has its retest to the upside, you know, like right here and right here. But Matic hasn't seemed to really seen a tremendous downfall like the rest of the coins. Now, my theory behind that is that NFTs were still doing all right. Like the NFT market had a prolonged life cycle compared to like just Bitcoin and Ethereum. Just because of like the hype that was surrounding, you have a lot more influencers involved with NFTs than you do like legitimate cryptos. And Matic, I forgot like how it's tied in. Don't get me wrong, I don't do my research on NFTs like that, but I do remember Matic being a huge part of the NFT market. Correct me if I'm wrong. So its continued success, quote unquote, could be attributed to that. And if we look at this formation here, it just doesn't look strong to me. All right, there's no real support besides, God, I need to sneeze, but it's not showing up. Besides 28 cents. And we did technically come back down and retest that within reason. But in reality, like, we didn't touch it. So given the fact that the market has returned to the upside and the market is showing signs of weakness here, all right, you can definitely see that this structure is similar to an A to a B, looking for a C wave structure. So obviously, I would probably be looking for pretty decent downside, at least to retest 31 cents at some point, if we can't get back above, you know, like $1.13. And if we fail to maintain support at 27 cents, 26 cents, there's nothing really to catch us for quite a bit. I mean, of course we can form support anywhere down here, but like the ground's the limit, you know, and the ground is all the way down here at 1 cent. I don't wish any coin ill price action, because I know that there's people that, you know, are expecting it to go to the moon and everything like that. And once again, like, this is not me saying that it is 100% going to dump. This is not me having hatred for the coin. I don't care what Matic does. I'm simply looking at the chart, noticing, hey, in my opinion, the way I've seen the market, my view, my outlook, it just doesn't look fantastic. So like I said, on the smaller time frame, like the 1 hour here, we do have this ABC from our recent low here, and I will be taking a position on that. 1, because of the macro. 2, because if I am wrong and we just see a little bit of downside, if we put in a lower low at 76 cents and then come back above it, that would be a good long hedge position. So if we are going to continue to the upside, then so be it. But I think the way the market's looking, I'm pretty confident in a retest of the downside. Just the way, you know, LTC's in a bearish position, Ethereum's in a bearish position. Actually, well, I can't say that. Ethereum's not technically in a bearish position. It is above its A right here. So as long as that's happening, it's still looking pretty good. BTC, we talked about this yesterday, but it's in a weird position where I can't technically say it's full bull or full bear, because until we get back above 17,600 and stay above it, I'm not really full bull. But the simple fact that we're above 16,300, I am bullish. But obviously with the smaller time frame, looking like it could have a rejection off of that and puts us back below 16,300. It's just not looking fantastic in my opinion. Accompany that with like the US 100 and the SPY. SPY is just looking thin. Looks like it wants to retest. US 100, we're seeing failure to continue to push higher. DXY. DXY, actually, we'll see what happens today. The market is open, so we'll see what happens, but we're sitting at this support region here, so this could be just a little bit more of an aggressive retest, But if we do start to collect a bounce right here, accompanied with a bullish setup right here, that could see a potential retest to the downside in other markets. I'm not gonna say it's directly correlated to Bitcoin, but you know, it's just a metric to look at. Now, if we continue to stay below 104, we can definitely see a retest of 101, which is the next reliable support region for the DXY. That could be a bullish case scenario for a lot of these coins and markets. But nothing too crazy has changed from yesterday. Like I said, despite my general bearish sentiment on many of the structures in the market, the trades I have on the board are just longs. So, like I said, I'm looking at the market for what it is. I have plenty of options to short if we can refill those setups. But at the moment, if things do continue, I'm still sitting long and I'm technically bullish. I know it's very confusing the way I kind of round robin that, but that's just the way that I play the market. I don't let my kind of like my bias get in the way of what my trades are doing. My trades are based off of the chart, and as long as a setup is not active, I'm not actively trying to short the market. Drinking soda at 5:30 a.m. Well, it's technically 8:30 a.m. for me, so. There was also that Disney pump with Matic. I'm not too familiar with the Disney pump and what that is. Morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning to you. Can you look at ETH, brother? Sure. Like I said with Ethereum is looking good. In terms of on the macro setup here, we have A to a B to a C. That level in particular is 1,188. If we are above that, we're pretty damn bullish. Obviously, from a larger time frame perspective, we want to take one step back here. This looks like an A to a B, looking for a C wave push. All right, and then that would obviously create a much larger ABC setup, and then I'd probably be taking shorts from about 2028. Of course, I would absolutely enjoy that if that happens on the smaller time frames, such as the 1 hour. All right, just taking into account like the US 100 and the SPY and everything and the way things are sitting. All right, on the smaller time frames, we do have an A, a B, and a C situation. All right, so if we do get back below 1234, I will be going short on Ethereum. All right, not because I'm super duper ooper duper bearish. All right, it's the simple fact of there's an ABC setup, I'm gonna take it. All right, luckily I did not get entered in on that on this wick right here. All right, it barely didn't hit it. Otherwise, I probably would have been stopped out by now. But as of right now, like I said, I'm only sitting in long positions. I'm on a long position on Bitcoin and Ethereum. And I'll continue to hold those until I get stopped out. But by that time, we will have hedge positions, so. Massive ABC on the DXY with the A being around 103. I'm pretty sure I have that marked out already. I got it at 105. With the A being at 103. You talking about this right here at 105? Oh, I see what you're saying. Okay. Yeah, we looked at that a long time ago. Definitely would be cool to see. Maybe that's the catalyst for our mega retest to the upside here. Any shorts you're watching? Yes, we went over those a couple times. Like I said, I'm looking for a short position on Bitcoin if we get back below 16,784. I'm looking for one on Ethereum if we get back below 12,000 or 1,234. And then Litecoin, technically, we do have a short position pretty much at this current moment in time, but I think I'm going to opt to wait for the larger setup here. I think it's a safer deal. And then on Matic, I'm looking for a long-term short on Matic if we get back below 89 cents here. That's about it. Nothing else really. Yeah, nothing. I mean, nothing new really formed. We did put in that higher high on BTC, but once again, I'm not trying to tire myself out constantly taking short positions. At the current moment in time, we have that good ABC setup, and it's not too far away from the original at the moment in time. So it's not forcing my hand or anything. I have good long positions open, and I don't want the profit to start getting drained away just because we have a smaller setup here. All right. If we are going to dump, we're probably going to dump pretty hard. So missing out on a little bit of profit here, 3%, it's not going to kill me to wait if we're going to see that mega dump. Hey, Kite, did Lily get her RS7? Not quite. Not quite. She did get a new car, though. If you do the IF, you look at the long-term history of the DXY using a log scale, you can see it is in a huge descending wedge pattern. I'm not too keen on patterns that much anymore, but we'll take a look. I see what you're saying. And yeah, a descending wedge, also known as an ABC. Dun dun dun. Lily is my friend's German Shepherd. Do you have a Discord? Yes, it is a paid Discord though. It's through the Patreon link in the description. Which, if you're thinking about signing up, definitely go to the videos on my channel and watch the Patreon update video. Goes over some crucial information. How to get your Discord account linked to Patreon, everything like that. And then, as well as that, Patreon will get cheaper as more people join. How are you able to view the DXY on lower time frames? I can go only as low as one day. Do you have a premium A TradingView account? Can I check URA? You're gonna have to point me in the right direction. There's a lot of stuff. I'm imagining it's just this. So I'll click on this real quick. It looks like it's in currently a B wave. Looking to test. Why is it not letting me? There we go. Gonna test this high right here at the current moment. And you have this ABC to the downside. Having two different flashlights doesn't make you poly. Whoa. What? Where did that come from? Oh, polyamorous. Gotcha. Okay, how come you don't invest in any? Man, I hate this. Oh, there goes the tears again. Jeez. How come you don't invest in any DeFi projects? I'm not talking about any Ponzi schemes, just actual DeFi projects. DeFi really only hit the mainstream like this bull market. I don't care to like get into something really super early. A lot of time it's speculation. You don't know if it's actually a good project. If it's a good project, it'll be here for a long time. Bitcoin was out for like 10 years and you could still make thousands of percents on it. All right, so if it's an actual good project, there's no reason at all for me to go ahead and rush into it and like a digital lottery ticket. If it's a good project, it'll be here for a long time and there'll still be money to be made on it. Simple as that. Do you use your trading? Do you use your ABC trading view plus Bybit to enter all trades, or do you do it manually? I used to do it all manually. Now I have a trading view alert bot to help me monitor trades and make sure that I don't miss any. And by miss any, that doesn't mean that it spots the trades for me. I'm still spotting the trades. I'm just telling the bot what level to be long or short from, and then it will make sure that it maintains that short position or that long position going forward until I tell it no. I like how the ETH network now is better than in the bull market. Well, I mean, they switched to proof of stake, but that's the thing, like that always happens during bull markets. Like the fees get high because there's so much transaction on the network. And I mean, yeah, it sucks, but at the same time, it's just a symptom of a growing market. Like if there's not a high enough transaction count during the bear market, obviously the price is probably going to follow. So therefore there's not as many miners and there's good profit to be made for miners. And then during the bull market, there's just not enough hash rate to keep the market cheap. But every year it gets better as price grows steadily. How do you use the trend line tool to do perfect horizontal lines so easy? Mine are wonky as wherever your cursor is hovering, if you hold Alt and press H, it puts a horizontal line. Did I catch a cold? Yeah. So like moving around the house and touching door handles and stuff. My nephew and my sister have been sick for like the past month, on and off. And I fortunately had not caught anything because I pretty much just stay in my room. But with Johnny and Monk coming over this week, I had to get out of my room, go touch door handles, and take trash outside. So I guess it finally got me, which sucks. Does that video that you put out on the trading about alert trading view go through everything we need to know? Yep. It's a full-blown tutorial on how to set up the alert and then attach it to TradingView Hub, and then how to use that to make trades on Bybit. It goes through every single thing. Thank you, Blue. I appreciate it. I hope I get better soon too, because it sucks. It definitely sucks. I hate it. Never leave the room, Howard Hughes. Yeah, it proved me right, dude. It proved me right. This has only shown me that I should keep up my lifestyle of ordering DoorDash and only touching the door handle once a day. Yeah, I got that door handle disease. Tragic. We'll do an assessment of Jasmine. Probably not a whole lot to talk about, to be honest with you, but you got a larger ABC setup here. But continue to hold below this level. Not looking too awesome, but at the same time, you do have the larger setup here, so it's in a weird spot, I'll admit. All right, for above this level, you could be bullish. If you're below that level, you could be bearish. But there's really no like awesome structure with Jasmine, to be honest. Just really not. You can see we had an ABC all the way back here, and we turned it into support for a little bit, but then it flipped to resistance right here, and then that's where this downfall came from. Don't blame the rats, just opportunistic. Blame whatever trash is lying about. Is that like a philosophy you just sent my way? That code? Or is that literal? I'm confused. Because my room is clean. Like, my room was dirty a little bit ago, but it is pretty much spotless now. No, we've touched Jasmine before because there was a point in time when it had overly negative funding, right? And I did take a long on it, and we made some good money, but I'm just not too interested in the coin itself. In regards to your body and its ability to regulate, think about it. You have germs inside and out of you all the time, all year long. Why now get sick? I don't know, dude. Super germs? Non-native germs? Yeah, I'm just gonna get a hoist to hoist my my DoorDash up to my window like Rapunzel. Instead of using my hair to get knights up to my window, I'll use my hair to get Taco Bell up to my window. That's what we're gonna do. You can check out CHZ. Did you have a long position at 25 cents? Are you looking to long at 25 cents or you currently have one? I'm gonna be honest with you, man. There was not really like any signs to go long at 25 cents. There's more signs to go short. You had this first ABC here, which obviously saw a little bit of a kickback, and then it turned into a larger one right here. So, I mean, pretty much had only signs to short. We could like catch support here, but it might want to push down a little bit lower. Put in an ABC position here in order for it to go a little bit higher. What does it mean to get liquidated, Kite? Does that mean I win the prize? Liquidated refers to a term after you eat Taco Bell and instant mashed potatoes. So, there you go. You learn something new every day. Let's play Wordle. Audio. Man. Okay. Okay, so we have an E, okay. Dude, this sounds like a broke Friendsgiving. Don't be hating on the instant mashed potatoes. Instant mashed potatoes are good. Kooky? And I have no clue. I mean, it could be woken. Yep, there we go. That was close, but I got it. What's up, Kite? What's up, man? Good morning, good afternoon. Yes, I did see your message. AVT. I hope it does well for you, but I'm gonna be honest. This chart looks like this chart looks bad, but I hope it does well. There's really not much I can say about it, to be honest with you. Yeah. Yeah, there's yeah. Where do you live, Kite? Man, that sounds creepy when you put it like that. Yeah, you keep making me set up. Altcoin. Altcoin looks alright. But only if we can get back above this level. Obviously, we have a continuation of the downtrend. Can you click? Thank you. Uptrend, downtrend. This level right here seems important to Filecoin. If it can get back above that, that would be good. If it stays below it, bad. Creedmoor, how you doing, man? Good morning. Just got done at the gym. I just got done dying. Sold all your Ether BTC for Insane Clown Posse. Dang. Whenever I think of Insane Clown Posse, I think of this guy.
This is Superhuman TV Show. Today I'll be jumping onto this microwave. This is for juggalos and juggalettes. Don't try this at home. I hope you like it. Whoop whoop!
For all the juggalos and juggalos.
Fuck this shit! This is Superhuman.
There you go. Your average ICP fan right there. Good morning. Can you tell me your opinion for XRP and Solana? Are they worth investing in the long term? That's a loaded question, man. I don't think you should be hopping into any coins right now for like the long term if you're trying to make money quick. I know you said long term, but a lot of people don't really. Let's take a look. XRP, now that their lawsuit and stuff is, I haven't kept up with that, so I'm not gonna say it's worked out. But at the current moment in time, XRP is sitting in a bearish position and has not been able to break back above that resistance. All right, so if you really mean long term, I'm talking multi-year. I think if we can put in the lower low right here and then maintain support above it, I think that might be a good buy position. But honestly, I just don't get the whole concept of this. You'd want it to stay above this support region here after retesting it. Ultimately, you would like it to be above 51 cents. If it can get back above 51 cents and hold, that's even stronger. And we are looking like we're in kind of like A to B situation. I'm sure in the future it would have a nice retest, but I don't know if it's going to be like the best performer in the world. Just being honest here. I don't know. Solana, I don't know too much about the coin, so I really can't talk about it from like a technological point of view. What I will say is the dump that happened with Solana, if Solana is an actual good coin, I don't think they should be looked at in a negative sentiment because of this dump. This had to do with FTX and Solana being held as collateral at FTX. If we can get back over $19.26, I think that would be super awesome for Solana. That's our only reliable support region though. There is a tiny one kind of where we're sitting, but who knows if that's going to hold. If we continue to dump down lower, $2.63 is right around the corner. And then obviously the all-time low here from this chart. What are my thoughts on ICT? ICP or ICT? ICT is not popping up. If I can't find the chart, I can't comment on it. But All right, guys. I think I'm gonna head off. I still gotta do some laundry before Monk and Johnny gets here. And I just gotta lay down. Hope I get better. But good morning, guys. Hopefully you guys have a good Monday. And I'll probably be seeing you tomorrow. Unless I get way worse. If I get way worse, then I'm probably just gonna take a day of rest. But it all depends on how we're feeling. Love you. Do you love us? Say out loud if it's real. I love you guys. All right. Why else would I be sick as hell and still on live stream if I didn't love you guys? If I didn't love you guys, the second I sneezed once, I'd be like, guys, I'm sick. I have to go. No. I share my sneezes with you. I sneeze on you. That's how much I love you guys. But Abdullah, SFP. I have no clue what that coin is, so I'm not gonna touch it. But oh, what the hell, dude? Come on. Like you're taking advantage of a sick boy. There's nothing too exciting on the chart. There's nothing for me to really talk about. Short position right here. That's about it. As long as we're below about 60 cents. There's no current long position. Nothing formidable at this moment in time. But all right, guys. I'll see you soon. Okay. Have a great day. Let's do the thing. Very short and brief. I don't know how long I can keep my eyes open without blinking this time. But goodbye.